A surprising fact, water makes up 98.5% of your coffee. This simple revelation explains why expensive beans alone won't guarantee amazing home-brewed coffee. Perfect coffee demands precise details. Water temperature must hit exactly 195 to 205 degrees, and your brewing method choice plays a crucial role in crafting professional quality coffee. Brown Bag Gourmet wants to share these secrets with you. The French press, dating back to 1929, remains the most reliable method to achieve consistent results. Modern, state-of-the-art tools like the AeroPress offer exciting alternatives to change your average morning cup into something extraordinary. Your favorite cafe's coffee quality awaits you at home. Let's tuck into the equipment, techniques, and insider tips that will turn you into a certified barista. Essential equipment for brewing perfect coffee. The right tools make exceptional coffee. You need 3 pieces of equipment to boost your brewing from amateur to professional level. Professional-grade coffee grinder selection. Burr grinders are the foundations of superior coffee brewing. Blade grinders chop beans unevenly, while burr grinders crush beans between 2 abrasive surfaces and deliver consistent particle size. A quality burr grinder should give you at least 20 micro adjustments to control your grind size precisely. A great grinder should have these features: conical or flat burrs for uniform grinding, multiple grind settings for various brewing methods, dosing capability for consistent measurements, low RPM operation to prevent heat buildup, water filtration and temperature control tools. Water affects your coffee's taste by a lot, since it makes up more than 98% of brewed coffee. A proper filtration system must remove chlorine, sediment, and heavy metals, while keeping essential minerals that boost coffee flavor. The perfect water needs specific mineral content, especially calcium and magnesium. These minerals help create sweeter, brighter cups with better extraction. Your filtration system should reduce impurities while maintaining these helpful minerals. Measuring and timing equipment. Precise measurements determine brewing consistency. You'll need a coffee scale with 0.1 gram resolution because coffee beans' density can vary up to 10% between varieties. Using scoops for volume measurements can lead to inconsistent results. Your scale needs these features: built-in timer functionality, water-resistant design, heat-proof weighing platform, quick response time. The best extraction happens when brewing takes 25 to 30 seconds. A scale with built-in timing helps you maintain this vital parameter and ensures proper coffee-to-water ratios. Selecting and storing premium coffee beans. Selecting premium coffee beans requires understanding their unique characteristics and proper storage methods. Let's explore what makes certain beans better than others. Understanding coffee bean, origins and roasts. Arabica beans, grown above 3,000 feet altitude, give you smooth, sweet flavors with chocolate undertones and occasional wine, fruit, or berry notes. Robusta beans contain twice the caffeine content and have earthier, grittier flavors. Coffee roast levels significantly change flavor profiles. Light roast. Vibrant acidity with floral and fruity notes. Medium roast. Balanced sweetness with caramel undertones. Dark roast. Rich, smoky flavor with hints of cocoa. Proper storage. Techniques to keep maximum freshness. Coffee beans stay fresh only 2 to 3 weeks after roasting. You can maintain peak flavor by storing beans in an airtight container away from sunlight, moisture, and heat. Room temperature works best for storage, since refrigeration can introduce harmful moisture. We found these common storage mistakes you should avoid. Exposing beans to direct sunlight. Storing near strong odors. Using containers with poor seals. Keeping beans in the fridge. Measuring and grinding best practices. The best brewing comes from a 1:16 ratio of coffee to water. A 12-ounce cup needs approximately 25 grams of coffee. The grinding process needs careful attention. Grind size affects extraction time and ends up influencing flavor profile. The rule of 15 helps guide you. Green coffee lasts 15 months after picking. Roasted beans stay fresh for 15 days, and ground coffee keeps peak flavor for just 15 minutes. You should grind your beans right before brewing to get the fullest flavor. French press brewing works best with coarse grounds that feel like sea salt. Pour-over methods need medium grounds that look like regular sand, while espresso requires fine grounds similar to table salt. Mastering the best coffee. Brewing methods. Becoming skilled at coffee brewing methods depends on knowing each technique's unique characteristics. We focused on 3 methods that are a great way to get exceptional coffee at home. Pour-over technique. Like a pro. Pour-over brewing extracts coffee's subtle flavors through a paper filter and produces a clean, bright cup. The water temperature should stay between 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. Follow these steps for the perfect pour-over. 1. Wet the paper filter to remove any papery taste. 2. Add medium fine grounds, table salt consistency. 3. Pour twice the water amount as coffee for original bloom. 4. Wait 30 seconds for CO2 release. 5. Complete the pour in spiral motions. 6. Total brew time, 2.5 to 3 minutes. French press mastery. French press creates full-bodied coffee through direct infusion and works best with dark roasts. The ideal approach uses coarse grounds, sea salt size, with a ratio of 60 to 70 grams of coffee per liter of water. The grounds should steep for exactly 4 minutes. The plunger should be pressed down slowly. Resistance that's too light means the grind is too coarse, while difficult pushing indicates the grind is too fine. Perfecting automatic drip. Brewing automatic drip machines balance convenience and quality effectively. A medium fine grind, kosher salt consistency works best. The balanced flavor comes from maintaining a 1:16 ratio of coffee to water. Your machine needs preheating with a water-only cycle first. This step raises brewing temperature to the optimal range of 195 to 205 degrees. Monthly cleaning with vinegar solution prevents oil buildup that can create metallic or bitter flavors. Each method creates its own distinct characteristics. Pour-over explains subtle flavors, French press delivers rich body, and automatic drip provides consistent results. The best choice depends on your preferred coffee profile and available time. Water quality and temperature control. Water composition is the lifeblood of exceptional coffee brewing. Water makes up 98% of your final cup. You need to understand its role to become skilled at coffee brewing at home. Ideal water composition for coffee. A perfect cup just needs water with balanced mineral content. The ideal water should have a pH between 6.5 and 7.9. Calcium and magnesium are 2 minerals that play vital roles in extraction. These minerals help with proper extraction and improve the coffee's body and mouthfeel. The water hardness substantially influences brewing quality. The optimal total dissolved solids, TDS, should measure around 150 parts per million. Soft water creates flat, underwhelming flavors. Hard water makes bitter, dull tastes. Perfect temperature range for different methods. Each brewing technique needs specific temperature control for the best results. The ideal brewing temperature ranges between 195 degrees and 205 degrees and 96 degrees. Common temperature control mistakes. Temperature-related errors can ruin your coffee's quality. Boiling water, 212 degrees 100 degrees, can scorch the grounds and create bitter flavors. Water below 195 degrees causes under-extraction and produces weak, tasteless coffee. The best ways to maintain optimal temperature. Use a temperature-controlled kettle for precise heating. Preheat your brewing equipment to prevent heat loss. Monitor the slurry temperature, coffee-water mixture, rather than just water temperature. Darker roasts extract more readily than lighter roasts. You should use slightly lower temperatures within the recommended range. This adjustment prevents over-extraction while keeping the rich, intended flavor profile of your coffee. Professional coffee brewing ratios. Professional coffee brewing starts with precise measurements. Your brew's strength and flavor profile depends on the coffee-to-water ratio. The Specialty Coffee Association suggests a standard ratio between 117 and 118. Golden ratio for different brewing methods. Each brewing technique needs its own golden ratio. A ratio of 117 works best for pour-over methods. 1 gram of coffee for every 17 grams of water. The French press needs a tighter 1:15 ratio because its full immersion method extracts flavor longer. Measuring tools and techniques. Precise measurement is vital to great coffee. A digital scale that measures to 0.1 grams will give you the best accuracy. To make an 8-ounce cup using the golden ratio, 1. Calculate total water weight, 240 grams for 8 ounces. 2. Divide by your chosen ratio, 15 to 18. 3. Measure coffee accordingly, 13.3 to 16 grams. You can use volume measurements if you don't have a scale. 1 tablespoon of coffee per 4 ounces of water. Weight measurements are still better because coffee beans' density varies, which can affect volume measurements by up to 10% between varieties. Keep your measurements consistent across brews to get the best results. Write down your favorite ratios for different coffee types and brewing methods. This helps you make your perfect cup every time and lets you adjust based on bean origin, roast level, or desired strength. Conclusion: making exceptional coffee just needs attention to detail, proper equipment, and consistent technique. Anyone can create cafe-quality coffee at home by becoming skilled at these elements. The best results come from a few key factors. Water temperature should stay between 195 to 205 degrees. Beans need proper storage in airtight containers. And you should follow recommended brewing ratios. Each brewing method brings something different to the table. Pour-over emphasizes subtle flavors. French press gives you a rich body, and automatic drip delivers reliable consistency. Quality beans make all the difference. Grind them fresh before brewing and measure with precision. You should try different ratios and techniques to find your perfect cup. These professional techniques are a great way to get the skills you need. Soon you'll brew coffee that rivals any skilled barista's creation.